up in April, said we both needed space. I boxed up your sweater, left your cup in its place. Told my friends I'm fine, they knew I was faking. Scrolling through your life, just to feel my heart breaking. Thought time would help me stress out less, but it just slows the frame. Then I see your story, and my chest starts burning up again. You're standing there, hand in hand, spinning her around like I always planned. I feel the pain rush back to me, watching you smile like you were never scared to have cold feet. Yeah, you look so in love, hand in hand with someone else that isn't me. I still park by your corner, out of old stupid habit. Tell myself it's random, but I know I still plan it. Then I catch your laughter floating out on the street. You don't see me passing, you're too wrapped up in a heat. I thought I'd see a second guess, thought you'd call out my name. Instead you look lighter, like the mess was me. And oh, you're standing there, spinning her around like I always planned. I feel the pain rush back to me, watching you smile like you were never scared to have cold feet. Yeah, you look so in love, hand in hand with someone else that isn't me. Did you ever stress out, thinking we gave up too soon? Do you ever feel the pain when you hear our old tune? Or did you only have cold feet when you were standing next to me? 'Cause now you dive in so deep like it's easy